What's going on with Apple App Clips? Hey guys, it's Mike from Bumble Parrot, and today I'll be giving you an update on what's been going on with Apple App Clips since it was announced at Worldwide Developer Conference 2020 back in June. I decided to make this video because even after about 4 months, there wasn't really that much developer information out there. Heck, if you search YouTube right now for app clips, you're going to get flooded with a bunch of results for Apple's 2017 app called Apple Clips, which is like a micro vlogging mini video making app that nobody uses in 2020. At the end of the video, you'll be able to decide if it's worth trying to build an Apple app clip for your app. So stick around to the end to find out. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through what app clips are and what's so exciting about them, what's it like from a developer perspective, and how the iOS 14 beta went. And then I'll be showing you an app clip in action in a working live demo. App clips were created to solve the problem of having to download an entire app when all you want to do is use a single feature or you don't ever plan on using the app ever again. App clips are designed to be super fast and to the point. They get you to complete the task at hand and back to your life. So how do you activate an app clip? Well, there's actually quite a few different ways you can. One of them is to go to a Safari Smart Banner enabled website. You can receive a special message in iMessage from a friend. There will be a call to action in Apple Maps. You can tap an NFC tag, and you can also just scan your basic QR code. In addition to that, Apple is coming out with a new QR code style that is both a QR code and an NFC tag. So with this basic concept, there's so many exciting possibilities for an app clip. So how do I imagine using app clips in my app Saferhood? Well, imagine coming to visit your friend in the city where you have to park your car on the street. Once you guys are done hanging out, you'll come back to your car only to notice that someone had hit your car and ran off. No note, no notification, nothing. Now imagine a QR code posted nearby letting you know that there are neighbors with various cameras outside that can help you find the car that hit yours. What you can do is scan the QR code and create a request for nearby neighbors to submit footage for you to help you find the car that hit yours. You can do this fast, anonymously, without having to sign up or download the entire app. The development of an Apple app clip was available in iOS 14 beta that was announced at WWDC 2020. To create an app clip, you just needed two things. You need a regular Xcode project for a full iOS app, and you just needed to add an app clip target to that same project. Apple has provided some really basic instructions on how to do this, and I'll have those instructions linked in the description below. Once you get that all set up, the development of an app clip is basically the same as a regular iOS app with a few exceptions. The app clip portion of your app must be under 10 megabytes. And this shouldn't really be a problem for most people because the average apps in the App Store are like 30 to 50 megabytes in size. This small size allows the app clip to be loaded super fast over the web. Not all iOS APIs are available to your app clip. Things like photos, media, HomeKit, HealthKit, messages, and locations are either partially available or not available at all. This is because app clips have an emphasis on speed and privacy. A link to the full list of limited or completely denied APIs will be in the link below. And now on to the juicy part. Many developers, including myself, have encountered many challenges trying to make an app clip during the iOS 14 beta period. Starting off, there wasn't any way to activate the app clip card until iOS 14 beta 5, which came out like 90 days after the initial beta release. Once iOS 14 beta 5 came out, there was a way to show the app clip card using Safari's Smart App Banner. Or so I thought. Getting the Safari Smart App Banner to work was not an easy task and requires you to jump through a bunch of hoops. Those include getting your local experience set up in your iOS settings on your phone. You have to have an SSL enabled website publicly available. you had to have Apple's App Site Association file configured and publicly available on that web server, and you had to have special markup that only worked in Safari. Once you did all of that, you could navigate to the website using the Safari web browser in iOS, and you would be greeted at the top with the Safari Smart App banner. Clicking open on the Smart App banner will make the app clip card slide up from the bottom in that magical Apple-esque way. And success! After about 90 days of experimentation and searching for answers, you were finally able to get the app clip card to show, just like Apple was doing in their demo video. Now you'll notice that this is typically the part of the video where I show you a live demo, but so far I've only been able to show you some screenshots of the app clip card and the smart banner. The reason for this is as of iOS 14 beta 6, this whole functionality stopped working altogether. That left us with no way to show the app clip card or test the end-to-end experience like they were showing in the Apple product demo. After a few frustrating weeks searching Google and conversating on the Apple developer forums, there was still no resolution or clear guidance on the issue. Even with iOS 14 beta 7 and 8 coming out in the following weeks, there was still no resolution to the issue on the forums or in the release notes. It wasn't until the day that Apple surprises everyone, including the developers, that they were going to release iOS 14 to the general public that I made this forum post, which finally shed some light on the issue. Now, because of my post on the Apple developer forums, two important facts came out. One, the Safari Smart App banner that was working in iOS 14 beta 5 was likely unintentional and actually a bug. So we were chasing the wrong thing during the entire window of the iOS 14 beta. Two, it is confirmed that you can get the app clip card to show using a QR code. However, you must use the QR code reader app that is a part of your iOS control panel. Not to be confused with just opening up the camera app and showing it a QR code. This was confirmed via a tiny footnote at the bottom of the app clip product page. Now, with all that finally cleared up and iOS 14 available to the general public, I can actually show you a working demo. So here I have my iPhone ready. I'm gonna go into the control panel. I'm gonna open up the QR code scanner, and then I'm gonna scan this QR code here. And there is the app clip. You can see that there's a picture that you control. You can control the title, which says Saferhood, and you can control the subtitle, which says Get Video from Neighbors. You can also control the call to action, which in this case says Open, but it can also say Play or View. Now, once you click Open, it takes you directly into the app clip, and this is the app clip here. There isn't much code, it's just a label, but this demonstrates how you go from the app clip card into the app clip itself. Once you click Open on the app clip card, the app clip itself will actually be downloaded to your phone and available for about 8 hours. So here, if you go down to the settings, you'll see there's actually a new area called App Clips. And here it shows that you have downloaded the Saferhood app clip to your phone. All it does is show the information, and you can remove the app clip. You can also just click Remove All App Clips once you build up a little collection of them. And that's a demo of a working app clip. As of this recording, I don't think all of the functionalities and ways to invoke the app clip are currently available. I think they're going to get released later this year. And that's my experience developing an app clip during the iOS 14 beta window and their general release of iOS 14. I hope this video gave you enough information about app clips and the developer experience so that you can decide if you want to invest the time to build an app clip for your app, given the current state of the app clips ecosystem as well as its limited functionality. If you found this video helpful and it saved you a bunch of time, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be sure to make more videos just like this. I'll see you in the next one.